Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 19th, and this is my analysis for the euro yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So yesterday I was talking about this 123 as possibly the next area of resistance. Now this right here is a really good example of why I personally only trade with the higher time frame trend. Because if I was like, oh, this is a resistance area, I'm going to go short right there, that would be instantly a losing trade. But instead, I would do nothing but look for longs at sort of time frames until the market proves to me that it's going down by breaking to the downside at one of these key Fibonacci levels. This definitely can push up to the 138 and still be a wave B on the weekly time frame. The 123 and the 138 is often a target for a running or an expanding wave B. So going down to the 1 hour time frame for weeks now, I've been doing nothing but recommending longs. And if you've been following along, you've probably been getting some pretty nice trades. Most recent structure right now is right here. That's what would turn me into a seller is if it breaks that low. Otherwise, anything I see to the downside, I would be looking at as nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend as long as we do not get that break of structure to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.